welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back with another video for you guys. First I just want to say I hope everybody had a really nice Christmas, a good Christmas with your families, friends, whoever you were celebrating with. I hope you had a nice one. But before we get into the tutorial, I just want to say thank you to everybody who like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I know I say it every video, but I really do because I don't know, I feel like the family is growing and I'm really happy about that. So for today I have a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial for you guys. I wanted to do something really different from what I did last year. Last year I did a really smoky eye. It was all blacked out and everything. I thought this year I would go with silver colors. I used a really old palette, but it's a staple palette. You guys will see in the video which one I'm talking about, but I mean the way it looks, it still look good, so I'm guessing the palette is like still popping. I'm really happy with what I came up with. I hope you guys are happy too, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video. Yeah, so I just wanted to keep it really simple because we all know what happens on New Year's. We drink a lot, and we drink before we do our makeup, after we do our makeups. That's why this is what I came up with. So it's gonna stay put together. I didn't go too heavy on the lips, something really easy even when your hands are shaking, trying to put that lip gloss on again. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching the video. Okay guys, so first you want to take your Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. I'm going to take the color Sienna and I'm going to put it all over the crease. I'm really going to pat it in the crease with a big blending brush. So you just want to make sure everything is well blended. And I'm going to put it all over the lid also, just so it has some kind of a base. So next I'm taking my Naked palette by Decay, the first one, the original one, and I'm taking the color Gunmetal with an eyeshadow, a regular shadow brush. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid. I'm really gonna pack it on the lid. Yeah, just put it all over the lid. And also remember, you guys, I always use my fingers because it just packs on the shadow better, I find. So you really want to take your time and just pack on the shadow. So next I'm taking a smaller blending brush than the previous one, and I'm just going to take the color Creep and I'm going to put it in the outer corner just to add some dimensions, some darkness into the look, some smokiness to the look. You really want to be careful with that shadow because it's not the most blended, easy to blend shadow, and also it's really pigmented, so if you put too much at a time it's kind of hard to blend out. So after I take my first brush, I'm just going to blend it out just to make sure everything's seamless and there's no harsh lines. And here, I didn't show it, but I used the color Burnt Orange and I took a big shadow brush and I was just blending the outer corners because I found it was pretty harsh. So what you want to do, you take a flesh tone shadow and you just blend with a big shadow brush. And next I took my Prism palette. I took the color Dimension, just add some dimension to the shadow. I'll put it mostly in the middle of my lid, and also I'm going to put it in the inner corner with a smaller brush. Okay, so that's it for the eyes, and I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the face part, because you guys see me do it 1,000 times in the same routine that I did in my previous video, so you guys can just enjoy it. So next, going back to the Soft Glam palette, I'm taking Cypress Amber as eyeshadow. I'm taking an angled brush just to do my lower lash line. So I really want to pack it on the lower lash.
And next I'm taking the same brush, I'm going to the color creep just to add some smokiness to the eye. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then after, I'm just gonna take my smaller blending brush that I had before just to smoke it out even more, because we want this look to be really smoky. I added some mascara and some lashes, and now I'm putting on a lip liner. By the way, you guys, all the products will be down below. I don't even show most of the products, but everything is listed down below if you guys want to know what I use for this look. And next, I'm just taking my Butter Gloss by NYX in the color Tiramisu to put on top, something really easy. For a highlight, I took my Nickel Guerrero palette in the color 143. So I just put it on my nose and my cheeks, and that's it. So I really packed it on my cheeks because I really want it to be like really, not blinding necessarily, but really glowy. And here I just brushed my hair, placed it, and yeah, and then just added a beauty mark to end the look, and that's it for the makeup look, you guys.
Okay guys, so that's it for the tutorial for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing it. Like I said, it was pretty easy to do, not too complicated, because I know how it is on New Year's. I know how we get really drunk, so I kept it really easy for you guys, and I hope you guys can recreate it if you guys like the makeup tutorial that I did today. I'm pretty sure next week I won't have a video for you guys, and because I want to take a break before I get full on the next year. So guys, I just want to say Happy New Year's to everyone, your families, your friends, and you guys who are watching my video today. We had a hell of a year, I want to say. A lot of ups and downs for me personally, but at the end of the year, like looking back, I mean, I'm still grateful for everything that happened. And yeah, so have a happy new year, be safe, and I'll see you next year, guys. Bye.